Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw Homer Simpson. You'll find the other Simpsons in my playlist. I've drawn Marge Simpson, Bart Simpson, Lisa Simpson, and now we're going to draw Homer Simpson. So I'm going to guide you through step by step. So all you need to do is draw along. You're going to need a pencil and a rubber. So got the cat playing in here, little Roman. Right, I'm going to start with his top of his head. No, I'm going to start with, it's got this bit here I need to start with because I kept missing it out when I was practicing. So I've got that bit and I'm going to go all the way round. I'm just going to put a little marker here because that's where his ear's going. In fact, I'll draw the ear first. There we go, because that's where I need to stop here. Okay. Stop here for his ear. Right, so I'm going to go all the way round and then to here. Okay. Now you could turn your paper if you like, if it's hurting your wrist. I'm going to do it like this so you can see. I've picked up the pen, that's not working very well. Right. There we go. I'm going to go over that with this pen. Don't like it when it's got bits missing. Another tip, I've had to put a mat under here because on a draw along that I did a while back, I used a Sharpie pen and it went through on the table. So put a mat under. I find it better to have a piece of paper under there as well, so you can, it gives a better drag on the paper for you to draw. Right, eye next. I want to draw his eye next. Let's have a look. Where are we? It's going to start here again. Actually, I'm going to draw the nose because I don't want to overlap into the nose. I'm just going to stop there and finish that off after. Sorry, that's my cat. There we go. So this eye is going to come all the way round, and it's actually, I am going to put that bit in first. Okay, because that's the other eye and I don't want that eye's in front. Okay, let's go. Sketch this with your pencil and then you don't make mistakes. You can rub them out. So sketching, you just mould it round. Right, the other eye now. So I'm going to go all the way round, nice and slow. All the way round and connect to there. So eyeballs, no pupils, not I've just drawn the eyeballs. What am I on about? Looking upwards. Looking upwards. Make that one a little bit bigger. Okay. Right, it's got an ear peeping out here. Oh, first of all, I'm going to draw this bit because I want to stop here because that's where his lips coming in. So ear is going down, round to here, round to there. Okay. Oh, different. Got a little backwards C in this one there. Oh, right, the C's going that way. Usually they go the other way. Right, different. So I'm going to come down here now, and he's got his lip coming in here. So what I need to do is go out and in and stop there. Next bit, he's doing a whistle, so they've drawn it like that. Okay, and then I'm going to draw all the way round. Try and get it as smooth as possible and connect it to there. Okay. Right, for the whistle, simple O. And coloured in. There you go, you can see he's whistling now. And backwards C. There we go. I like that, different. Usually people draw a C within a C, but I like that. Right, so marker here. I'm going to join to there. Okay. This is good. I love this. I'll show you. I'm going to draw around here and then out and in. Now I like that because that's showing his t-shirt is around the back. Really good perspective, that. And then we're going to come down here. It's not a t-shirt, is it? It's a shirt. Good idea, that. Makes it look good. Makes it look like it's actually going around the back of him. So that goes to there. And then we've got this bit. And then we're going to draw his shoulder, which is going to come all the way around to here. Just touch my computer because I need to keep looking at the computer because it's not my illustration. I have done some illustrations of my own. Well, I've done quite a lot. Animals and things, and animals, robots, monsters, all sorts. So have a look on my playlist, you'll find those. And we've got a V here. And he's got his neck coming down to here. Okay, we stop there. And then we're going to continue to join the V up. Alright. What have they done next? They've done... Is that going straight out? No, it's coming from here, behind the neck. Keep looking at your picture that you're drawing because you might miss stuff. I have to look loads when I'm drawing someone else's picture. Right, that's going to come down here. Now this is coming out. Good perspective there again from whoever illustrated these characters. Who illustrated these characters? Anybody know? Right, so there's something missing. Can you guess what it is? His hair. So good idea, this one. They've got an M shape. You know, the M is going to come from here and it's going to join to his ear and then it's going to stick out. There we go. I think that one is a bit more inwards, to be honest. I've done that too far out. So now this is coming from behind the head. Okay, from around here. And then it's going to come into your picture. So round and in. Now that shows he's got a comb over. Comb over with 2 strands of hair. I'm not sure that really works. So this is going to be the same. Behind. And it's going to come in to there. So there we go. I think he may be finished. So, yep, have I done him? Check, check, check. Yes, yes. So what I like about this picture is he's looking to the side, but you can see both eyes. Now that's called 3/4. What's it called? 3/4 something like. Oh, come on, brain. 3/4 view. So it's really good that because you can see both of the eyes, but you can see the full face as well. So I like that. Also, what I like is, as I said before, the perspective of the t-shirt, his shirt going around the back of his head there, and how the comb over comes from behind and into his head here. Really good perspective. I like that. So I think we're finished. I would love to see your drawings. If you'd like to send them to me, you can email them to me. I'll put my email address in the comments and description. You can also send it to my Facebook page, which is Captain Cuthbert and Scat the Cat. I'd love to feature your drawings in my gallery on my Facebook page. So what else do I need to say? If you want more, you want to receive updates on the videos, the new videos of cartoon draw-alongs, just subscribe to my channel. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, because that triggers Redbubble, that's my Illustrator page, and that triggers YouTube to recommend the video to others who may like it. So thank you very much for watching and see you next time.